Welcome, my friends. Chef Stefani here. Imagine a steaming bowl filled with a fragrant broth, silky noodles, and an array of vibrant toppings. Each ingredient is carefully selected to create a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. This is Lao noodle soup, a beloved dish that captures the essence of Lao cuisine. It's a dish that tells a story with every bite, a story of tradition, culture, and the love for good food. More than just a meal, it's a culinary journey that tantalizes the taste buds and warms the soul. The experience of eating Lao noodle soup is akin to a warm embrace, comforting and satisfying. In the heart of Southeast Asia, nestled between lush mountains and the mighty Mekong River, lies Laos. This beautiful country is not only known for its stunning landscapes but also for its rich and diverse culinary traditions. This landlocked country boasts a rich culinary heritage, and at its heart is a dish that has captured the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide, Lao noodle soup. The preparation of this dish is an art form, passed down through generations. Whether enjoyed as a quick lunch, a comforting dinner, or a late-night snack, Lao noodle soup is versatile and beloved by many. Its ability to fit into any mealtime makes it a staple in Lao households. Lao noodle soup holds a special place in Lao culture and beyond. It is often shared among family and friends, bringing people together and creating lasting memories. Join us as we delve into the world of this beloved dish, exploring its history, ingredients, and the reasons behind its enduring popularity. From the bustling street markets to the quiet family kitchens, Lao noodle soup continues to be a symbol of comfort and tradition. The foundation of any good Lao noodle soup lies in its broth. This isn't just any broth, it's a carefully crafted elixir that forms the soul of the dish. Slow simmered for hours, the broth is a labor of love, a testament to patience and culinary skill. The process begins with a large pot filled with water and meaty bones, which are essential for that rich, deep flavor. Infused with the flavors of meaty bones, aromatics like lemongrass and galangal, and a touch of fish sauce for depth, the broth becomes a complex symphony of tastes. Each ingredient plays its part, contributing to the overall harmony. Each sip is a revelation, a harmonious blend of savory, tangy, and subtly sweet notes. It's a sensory experience that warms the soul and excites the palate, making you crave more with every spoonful. Then come the noodles, the heart of the dish. These aren't just any noodles, they are the perfect vehicle for the flavorful broth, absorbing and enhancing its essence. Whether you prefer the chewy texture of rice noodles or the satisfying bite of egg noodles, the choice is yours. Each type of noodle brings its own unique character to the dish, allowing for endless customization. These noodles, cooked to perfection, soak up the flavorful broth, creating a symphony of textures and tastes in every mouthful. The interplay between the soft noodles and the rich broth is nothing short of magical. But the magic doesn't stop there. The final touches are what truly elevate the dish from delicious to extraordinary. A colorful array of toppings awaits, ready to elevate your bowl to new heights. From fresh herbs to crunchy vegetables, each topping adds a new layer of flavor and texture. Fresh herbs like cilantro and mint provide a burst of freshness, cutting through the richness of the broth and adding a vibrant, aromatic quality. While crispy shallots add a delightful crunch, offering a contrast to the soft noodles and tender meat. Each bite is a journey, a delightful exploration of flavors and textures that leaves you wanting more. The origins of Lao noodle soup can be traced back centuries, influenced by the culinary traditions of neighboring countries like Thailand and Vietnam. Over time, Lao cooks have added their own unique touches, creating a dish that is distinctly Lao. This culinary fusion is a testament to Laos's history as a crossroads of cultures. The result is a dish that reflects the country's diverse influences while maintaining its own unique identity. Passed down through generations, the recipe for Lao noodle soup has become more than just a set of instructions. It's a culinary heirloom, a way to connect with the past and preserve traditions. Making Lao noodle soup is a sensory experience. The aroma of simmering broth fills the air, while the vibrant colors of fresh herbs and chilies delight the eye. It's a dish that engages all the senses, creating an anticipation that only heightens the enjoyment of the meal. It all begins with the broth. Bones, often beef or pork, are simmered for hours, releasing their rich flavors into the water. Aromatics like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves are added, infusing the broth with their fragrant oils. Once the broth is ready, the noodles are cooked and carefully portioned into bowls. Then comes the fun part, adding the toppings. From thinly sliced meats to crunchy vegetables, each topping adds another layer of flavor and texture to the dish. A symphony of flavors unveiling the appeal. What is it about Lao noodle soup that makes it so universally loved? Perhaps it's the perfect balance of flavors, the savory broth, the chewy noodles, the fresh herbs, the spicy chilies. Each element complements the others, creating a harmonious blend that is both satisfying and crave-worthy. Or maybe it's the versatility. Lao noodle soup can be customized to suit any taste. Prefer a richer broth? Add more meat? Like it extra spicy? Pile on the chilies? The possibilities are endless, making it a dish that can be enjoyed by everyone. But beyond the flavors and the versatility, there's something else that makes Lao noodle soup so special: its ability to evoke a sense of comfort and nostalgia. The comfort of tradition, family, community, and food. In Laos, food is more than just sustenance, it's a way of life. Meals are a time for family and friends to come together, to share stories, and to strengthen bonds. And at the heart of many of these gatherings is a steaming bowl of Lao noodle soup. The act of sharing a meal is deeply ingrained in Lao culture. It's a way to show hospitality, to express love, and to create lasting memories. This sense of community and connection extends beyond the family table. Street food vendors, a ubiquitous sight in Laos, serve up bowls of steaming noodle soup to locals and tourists alike, creating a shared experience that transcends cultural boundaries. Beyond the bowl, Lao noodle soup's enduring legacy. Lao noodle soup is more than just a dish, it's a symbol of Lao culture and identity. It represents the country's rich culinary heritage, its warm hospitality, and its ability to blend diverse influences into something uniquely its own. As Lao communities have migrated around the world, they have taken their love for noodle soup with them, introducing this beloved dish to new audiences. From street food stalls to high-end restaurants, Lao noodle soup can now be found in cities across the globe, a testament to its enduring appeal. And as more people discover the delights of Lao cuisine, Lao noodle soup serves as a delicious gateway, inviting them to explore the flavors and traditions of this fascinating country. A global phenomenon sharing the love for Lao cuisine. Lao noodle soup, known for its rich flavors and comforting warmth, has become a beloved dish far beyond the borders of Laos. This humble yet exquisite dish has found its way into the hearts and kitchens of people from all walks of life. The popularity of Lao noodle soup is a testament to the power of food to connect people across cultures. Whether it's enjoyed in a bustling street market or a cozy home kitchen, this dish brings people together, creating shared experiences and lasting memories. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we all share a common love for delicious, comforting food that nourishes both body and soul. The aromatic broth, tender noodles, and fresh herbs create a symphony of flavors that transcends cultural boundaries, making it a universal favorite. In an increasingly globalized world, where culinary boundaries are constantly being pushed, Lao noodle soup stands as a shining example of the beauty of culinary fusion. Chefs around the world are experimenting with this traditional dish, adding their own unique twists while respecting its origins. It's a dish that embodies the spirit of cultural exchange, taking inspiration from neighboring countries while maintaining its own distinct identity. The blend of spices, herbs, and techniques from various culinary traditions results in a dish that is both familiar and exotic. And as more people discover the delights of Lao cuisine, we can expect to see Lao noodle soup continue to captivate taste buds and bring people together for generations to come. Social media has played a significant role in spreading the love for this dish, with food enthusiasts sharing their experiences and recipes, inspiring others to try it for themselves. The future of Lao noodle soup looks bright, as it continues to evolve and adapt while staying true to its roots. A culinary adventure awaits. So, the next time you're craving a bowl of comfort, why not embark on a culinary adventure and seek out a taste of Laos? Whether you find yourself in a bustling street market in Vientiane or a cozy Lao restaurant in your hometown, one thing is certain: a bowl of Lao noodle soup is an experience not to be missed. It's a chance to savor the flavors of a rich culinary tradition, to connect with a culture that values community and hospitality, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. So go ahead, take a sip, and let the flavors transport you to the heart of Laos. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.